Hey everyone, this is Leo San. So for this edition video, I would like to talk about two tickers this week that I swing, that I made well over a grand, and that's just swing trading. It's within a week, not even a week. And as I say from last video, before I get to in any stocks, I always alert the room and I always tell the room why I'm getting in, and I show them charts and stuff, and if members or anybody trust my plays and trust my technical, they can make some money, and I admit I cannot make 100% calls, but like I said, before I get to any stocks, I try to pinpoint every little detail before I do get in because I do not want nobody to lose money. So let's get started. The ticket that I called out was YTEN Monday, and I showed the chart, and I drew the trends, on the candlestick, and I say, hey, look at this crossover here. That's why it ran. And hey, look, another crossover is coming. It's gonna run. I'm gonna predict it. It's gonna run. And to my amazement, let's see what happened. Let's see. And then yesterday it did ran. So I showed them the after chart, why it ran like I predicted it. So this is the after chart. Same thing that happened right here. See that? When I got in right here, the next day it ran. It ran about $2 or something, I believe. Let me see. It ran aftermarket, because aftermarket they had a news hit and it ran. But man, I didn't even know news was gonna hit. I didn't know. I was just paying attention to the chart, and I liked it, so I got in. Let me see something for you guys. Yeah, see, I got in right here in this little green candlestick. I got in here, and then after a while, it just shot up. And as you can see, today is red, but I'm done. I'm gone. I'm out of that, So I make my money, And I'll show you my entry. Let me see. My entry, like I said, was 173. See, right here. I made well over almost $500 on this stock. It's 173. See, that's how I play. I try to get it early before anybody. I find the how you said, stock that's about to move. And that's just one ticker. And I just swung it Monday. That's like almost a whole week of work right there. And another ticket I tell everybody about was TIK, TIK. There you go, right here. Yesterday, in fact, didn't take too long on that one. Well, to be honest, I was watching this stock for a couple of days, and I said, hey, this is maybe the right moment to get in. And so this was my analysis. So I basically tell them, hey, it's another one of my new swing position. Click the chart for info, and it's under 2 mil float. It has insider buyer, and it's crossing over. Okay, so let me show you proof of inside. I tell them, I show the proof inside buyers right here, which shows it shows tick, 10% owner bought it. What is it? What day? May 4th and May 3rd. So that's pretty recent. When the insider buying, that's pretty good. You need to look at the chart when they have the insider buying. So that's what I did. And so this is the chart. Same concept that I use time and time again. Every time it crosses over, see that, and it runs. It crosses over, it runs, and then in this one I drew a trend and I said, hey, it's crossing over, it's going to run. So that's when I get it. I didn't get it 240. I wish but I get it at 250. Yeah, 250. I got it at 250, but I explained it. It's under 2 mil float. Everything's aligned for the run, crossover and price action. A circle and purple insider buyer. It's low volume holding up. So yeah, I'm a buyer in this one. So I bought it and I alerted the room. I alerted the room at 250. Some of the members did bought it, And when I bought it yesterday, not only that, I bought some other shares. I bought Ogen at 136, but it had the same. It had a good chart too. It had a good Ogen. It had a good chart too, and I was able to buy some shares, but I couldn't buy a lot because my money was unsettled. And I said, hey, this is gonna move too. And okay, but let's go back to that ticket TIK. Let's get back to it. So today, not today. When I swing tick yesterday, that same day after hour, it just ran. It just let me see that on the live chart. Right here. See right here, I swinged it yesterday. I got in the right moment, so I swinged it around here, around 55 right here, early, and I just ran after hours. Just, I mean, the whole day just running up to 360. You know, I couldn't sell at this point because of my broker. So today, I mean, today it ran to 380, $3.85. But I was able to sell it at 330. You know, I sold at 330. After it just dropped. You know, it dropped back all to where it 252, you know, even lower than where I started, you know. So if I held, I mean, I would have lost money. I wouldn't gain money. I would have lost my money too. But you see, like I said, I sold up here, you know, and this is my profit. What's it at? This is my, I mean, this is my profit, as you can see. I mean, okay, so the average cost was 2,050 cents, way over 1.6. And that's for the ticker TIK. And then Ogen, like I said, I couldn't buy a lot of shares, so I bought small shares, and I was able to profit $80, you know, for some. I mean, that's good money still, you know. It builds up. That's the thing, you need to build your account. So that's pretty much it, like, you know. And another ticker I got in is iPhone. What is it? iPhone. Yep, there you go. iPhone. So iPhone is the same scenario. It looks like to me, you know, it's crossover here, ran. I think it's gonna be a crossover happening pretty soon. So I want to get in as early as possible. So I got in this one. I'm anticipating for this to run. Sometimes, you know, that's what you gotta do. You know, stop chasing and look for a chart that's gonna run. Wait patiently and you just go with the game plan. It's gonna come, you know. It's gonna come. It's just a matter of how you do it. So, you know, like, so apparently, if I'm doing something right, you know, then there must be, there should be a question. Oh, why he's doing it right. Why I'm not, how you say that? Why am I not following him? Why am I not letting him show me how to do it? You know, maybe instead of everyone start, how you say that? Um, critique my play style, or say, hey, this is the wrong way to play. How about everyone should just listen and see why I'm making money? You know, why this happened, why that happened. I could explain, because some of our members, I try to explain to them, but it's kind of hard to explain to them because they bring me all these financial things, you know, all these. And these are all long term stuff. I'm not here for the long term, you know. I'm just here for the chart play and chart setup. That's the thing, you know. I'm just here for the chart setup. And I see these little things, these little details. So my bet is iPhone. It should uptrend. So I mean, I learned the room and I tell them what's going on with iPhone. So yeah, so let's see if it's gonna run. So that's about it. Stay tuned for my next video. Thank you.